fun!
Marpac, Yoga Sleep Dom Classic. The original white noise machine. Soothing natural sound from a real fan. Noise cancelling sleep therapy, the original sound machine. Beloved by generations since 1962, the Dom Classic model features this fan-based natural white noise, producing this signature sound, the soothing ambient sounds of rushing air, without the disturbance of actual moving air. Customized sound experience, with 2-speed options for adjustable tone and volume, making it simple to create a personalized sound environment, excellently masking background noise and allowing for better sleep, office privacy.
2.
Adaptive Sound Technologies, Sound Sleep High Fidelity Sleep Sound Machine. With 30 guaranteed non-looping nature sounds, buy with confidence. Designed in the USA and backed by great customer care team in the USA. Guaranteed non-looping nature sounds. 30 rich and immersive sound profiles for better sleep, study, and relaxation. Includes best-in-class ocean, rain, brook, meadow, and other nature sounds. Adaptive Sound Technology. Listens to your environment and responds instantly by adjusting audio volume and mix. Sleep Timer. Play all night, or turn on the sleep timer to gently reduce the volume after 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes. Marpac Dom Classic, the original white noise machine. Featuring soothing natural sound from a real fan, the original sound machine. Beloved by millions since 1962, the Dom Classic model features this fan-based natural white noise, producing the soothing ambient sounds of moving air. Customized sound experience. With 2-speed options for adjustable tone and volume, excellently masking background noise for better sleep for children, office privacy, and soothing sound-sensitive pets, simply wipe the exterior with a damp cloth.
4.
Adaptive Sound Technologies, Lectrofan High Fidelity White Noise Machine, buy with confidence. Lectrofan is designed in the USA and backed by a 1,000-day satisfaction guarantee. Provides 10 fan sounds and 10 ambient noise variations, including white noise, pink noise and brown noise. Power, 110 volts AC, USB. Helps block disruptive environmental noises so you or your little one can fall asleep with ease. Safe, solid-state design is powered by AC or USB and dynamically creates unique. Marpac, Yoga Sleep Hush Portable White Noise Machine. Effectively masks noise. Beloved by generations since 1962, Yoga Sleep by Marpac is the trusted leader in white noise machines, and created this signature sound. The soothing ambient sounds of rushing air. That sound that's helped millions experience better sleep for generations is now available in this light and portable design for babies. The Hush effectively cancels out noises that may disturb or distract for improved sleep and soothing. 3 soothing sounds and night light. Choose from bright white noise, deep white noise.
6.
Big Red Rooster, white noise sound machine for adults, 6 soothing sleep sounds. The 6 white noise machine sounds include rain, brook, ocean, thunder, white noise, and summer night. The sleep machine sounds help you drift off to sleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed in the morning. Mask background noises. The white noise sound machine masks noise for improved sleep, concentration and comfort. Blocks background noise while sleeping, working or traveling to experience serenity in every situation.
Seven.
Magic Team sound machines white noise machine with 20 non-looping sleep sounds. White noise, brown noise, pink noise, blue noise, fan, brook, rain, ocean, bird and bonfire, suitable for baby and kids and adults. Precise volume and timer settings. With 32 levels of volume, it is perfect for baby sleeping, and you can set 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours and continuous play. Control the comfort level for your own environment. Unique design.
Eight.
Marpac, Yoga Sleep Dom Uno white noise machine. Real fan inside for non-looping white noise sound machine for travel, the original white noise machine, simplified. Beloved by generations since 1962, the Dom Uno model features this fan-based natural white noise producing this signature sound, the soothing ambient sounds of rushing air, without the disturbance of actual moving air. Customized sound experience. With 1-speed option for adjustable volume, the Dom Uno makes it simple to create a personalized sound environment, excellently masking background noise and allowing for better sleep, office privacy, effective soothing for kids and babies.